Hi, this is the TCL 40C and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the fingerprint scanner was here fast and correct, and with the simple touch I just unlocked the device successfully. I'm not pressing the power key button, I'm just simply touching and the device is unlocked successfully. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.